Welcome to the world of making money online through YouTube. With billions of users and an ever-growing platform, YouTube offers exciting opportunities for content creators to monetize their channels. From enabling ads and joining the YouTube Partner Program to engaging in sponsored content, brand collaborations, and merchandise sales, YouTube provides multiple avenues to earn money. Whether you're a vlogger, educator, gamer, or creative artist, YouTube empowers you to showcase your talents and passions while generating online income. Get ready to dive into the realm of YouTube monetization, where your creativity, dedication, and engagement with your audience can open doors to a fulfilling and profitable online career. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is essential for making money online through YouTube. Focus on producing high-quality videos that captivate and engage your target audience. Offer unique perspectives, insights, tutorials, or entertaining content that provides value and keeps viewers coming back for more. Research your niche and identify popular topics or trends to stay relevant. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Consistency is key, so develop a content schedule and stick to it. By consistently delivering valuable content, you can grow your subscriber base, increase watch time, and attract sponsorships, brand partnerships, YouTube ad revenue, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding opportunities, turning your YouTube channel into a lucrative source of online income. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is a crucial step in making money online through YouTube. To be eligible, you need to meet certain requirements, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted into the YPP, you can enable monetization for your videos. This allows you to earn money through Google AdSense by displaying ads on your videos. You receive a portion of the ad revenue based on factors like ad engagement and viewer demographics. The IPP also provides access to additional features and opportunities, such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and YouTube Premium revenue. Enable ads. Enabling ads is a crucial step in making money online through YouTube. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program and meet the eligibility requirements, you can monetize your videos by enabling ads. This allows you to earn revenue through Google AdSense. Ads can be displayed before, during, or alongside your content, and you receive a portion of the ad revenue generated from your videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your earning potential. By enabling ads, you can leverage the reach and power of YouTube's advertising platform to generate income from your creative efforts and content creation. Explore other revenue streams. To maximize your income on YouTube, it's important to explore other revenue streams beyond ad revenue. Diversifying your income can provide additional opportunities to monetize your channel. Consider sponsored content where you collaborate with brands to create promotional videos or product reviews. Brand partnerships can offer financial compensation or free products. Another option is selling merchandise, such as clothing, accessories, or digital products, directly to your audience. Channel memberships allow viewers to pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks and content. By exploring these alternative revenue streams, you can supplement your ad revenue and generate more substantial income from your YouTube channel, while building stronger connections with your audience and expanding your brand presence. Utilize YouTube's features. To make money online through YouTube, it's essential to leverage the platform's features. YouTube offers various tools and features that can boost your income potential. Super Chat allows viewers to have their messages highlighted during live streams, providing an additional revenue stream. Super Stickers enable viewers to purchase and send animated stickers during live chats. By taking advantage of these features, you can diversify your revenue streams, engage with your audience in unique ways, and enhance your overall monetization efforts on YouTube. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to making money online through YouTube. Foster a strong connection with your viewers by actively responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussions. Show genuine interest in your audience's thoughts and ideas. Engage with them through community posts, live streams, and social media platforms. By building a loyal and engaged community, you increase the likelihood of viewers returning and sharing your content. By valuing and interacting with your audience, you not only enhance the viewer experience, but also create opportunities for increased monetization and long-term success on YouTube. In conclusion, making money online through YouTube is an exciting and rewarding venture. By creating valuable content, joining the YouTube Partner Program, enabling ads, and exploring various revenue streams, you can turn your passion for content creation into a sustainable online income. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. So take the knowledge and strategies shared in this video, implement them with creativity and authenticity, and embark on your journey to make money online through YouTube. Happy creating and happy earning.